Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi, my name's Ethan Rossler. I'm a welding engineer here at Miller Electric. Today, we are here to talk about common issues you might encounter when MIG welding aluminum. Porosity, smut, burn-through, lack of fusion, and hot cracking are some of these common issues. Smut on the surface of the weld bead is a common issue with 5000 series filler metals. It is a magnesium oxide that forms on the surface of the bead. It looks like black soot covering your weld. This issue is common with 5000 series filler metals because magnesium is the main alloying element. 4000 series filler metals, whose main alloying element is silicon, do not experience this problem to the same extent. Excessive voltage is a common cause of smut. Using a lower voltage or arc length can help reduce it. Using a 5 to 15 degree push angle is ideal. This allows for the cleaning action to take place in front of the puddle. Dragging the weld doesn't allow this cleaning action to take place and causes smut. To learn more, visit millerwelds.com/aluminum.